Hello viewers, what I have here is a 1921 Chevy Corvette diecast model car. It's a police car. Real nice police car. Police name on the door. Has the black rims with the sporty tires. It has the number 388 on the side of the car to protect and serve. I'm going to open the front door. This is what it looks like in the front. It's a two-seater Corvette police car, which I never seen one in real life. This is what it looks like in the front. The police name on the hood of the car. The Corvette logo on the top front of the car. It's the front of the car with the lights. The windshield with the wipers. This is the police siren lights. Got the mirror here. The 911. Emergency 911 on the side. Sporty tires. To protect and serve, number 388. The mirror, I'm going to open up the passenger side. So it looks like inside the passenger side. This is the back of the car. It says Corvette with the Corvette logo on the license plate. The lights, a little small spoiler. I believe this is the fender bender back here with the muffler. This particular vehicle, 2021 and 2021, they made only 26,000 of these at a cost between $60,000 to $80,000. This particular vehicle is a 6.2 liter V8, 490 horsepower. At a top speed of 194 miles per hour. And I believe with the top speed is to catch the criminals. I'm gonna open the doors on this Chevy Corvette. This is what it looks like from the back. Just imagine you're a police officer and you're driving this to catch the criminal or your everyday police duties. This This is what it looks like on the side. I'm gonna bring it a little closer. That's the number 388 on the top. What it looks like on the front. So put it back a little bit. And what it looks like on the driving side. This is where you put the gas. This short Chevy Corvette would have been nice if it had batteries. And when you open the door, it makes the alarm chirping noise. Also, the front lights will turn on. The front hood will open up. The inside lights will turn on. And the back lights will turn on too. Also, if the police siren lights will turn on, this would have been a very nice car if it did all this. I bought this in Walmart for about $10 or less. Super fast. Takes off. Very fast. The 2021 Chevy Corvette Diecast model police car. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.